Hi, friends, and welcome to the Coach Casey channel for podcasts that help us all become better people. I hope you enjoyed today's podcast, and also please join us on YouTube at the Coach Casey channel, where you'll always find weekly great content. So let's go. Today's podcast on the Coach Casey channel is going to be a little unusual and a little personal. You see, I've been a practitioner of meditation and mindfulness for longer than I care to remember, actually. I picked up a book called Yoga, Youth, and Reincarnation some 40 plus years ago, and that launched my interest in introspection, yoga, and I don't want to say new agey, mystical stuff, but just the ability to explore my inner life. There's a couple parts to meditation. If you're new, or if you're not, you might agree with me that it's good to do some warm-up, loosening exercises before you meditate, just to trigger your mind and to tell your brain this is meditation time. And the second part is to set an intention. You know, contrary to common belief, you don't have to have a blank mind and reach nirvana to get to a successful meditation, because guess what? There is no pass-fail in meditation. Only you, only how you feel, recharged, relaxed, calm, serene. So you can deal with anything you like. You can talk about your family, your friends, your goals. You can meditate on prayer, whatever your life needs at that time. As far as the personal side goes, I want to share with you a meditation that I use, that I wrote for myself, and encourage you to come up with your own meditation, because it will trigger your mind again, like the warm-ups, to get your mind and soul and spirit ready for meditation. So I just call this, it's real clever, I just call it meditations. Being part of what is all around me, to the heavens and the stars. I am the largest there is and the smallest, the darkest and the brightest. I am time, yet not time. I am myself, yet the millions who have passed and the millions yet to be. I cannot escape myself, nor be any more or less than that. I'm committed to the cosmos, connected to the seen and the unseen, the heard and never spoken. I shall be here when the planets vaporize to dust and all return home again. I hope you enjoyed this podcast. I hope it's inspired you to take that inner journey into meditation and mindfulness, because there's so many health and personal benefits to it, particularly if you're struggling with alcohol and drug abuse, stressful relationships, finance problems. Meditation can be your own private sanctuary. So, until next time, please remember to subscribe to the podcast and the Coach Casey YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you will get alerts to the great content we have on this channel for making us all be a better person. So I'll see you in the future.